Hello friends, and welcome to your own channel Shaham Tech. So friends, in today's video I will show you that how to fix a Google Chrome snap problem. As you see that I will show you there when I'm opening my Google Chrome. So you guys are seeing that there is this problem that snap something went wrong while displaying this web page. So in this video, in this short video, I will show you that how to fix this problem very easily. So this is just one step, and just focus on this, and it will work 100%. I am giving you guarantee that this will work. So let's start the video, friends. So for that you have to go to Google Chrome properties. In properties you are seeing there is target. So in this target place you will put your cursor there and give one space. When you give one space, so then you have to give you this mark to this mark, and then you have to write no and another mark, and then you have to write sand box. So when you write this, and then you have to apply this one. When you apply and OK this, now refresh your computer, and then when you go to your Google Chrome, now you are seeing that there is no problem, everything is normal. Like you can enter your YouTube, or you can enter every place that you want. Like if you want every place, if you want to go to your YouTube, so you can easily go there. Like you are seeing my YouTube, everything is working. So guys, this was today's video that I showed that how it works. If you really like this, so just subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of all my videos. So see you in another video. Have a good time and goodbye, friends.